Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, we will be learning how to disable notification on Crossy Road. To disable notification from Crossy Road app, first of all, go ahead and launch open Crossy Road on your device. Once you're at the home page, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top left. And then you will be able to see this kind of an interface where you need to tap on reminders. Now, click on Open Settings and you will be taken to this page on your device's setting menu. Click on Notification and then click on the toggle button right next to Notification option. After you do that, you will be able to disable notification setting within the app. If you ever want to turn on notification, come back to this same spot. If you ever want to turn on the notification back again on Crossy Road, simply go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top left once again and click on Reminders. Click on Open Settings and go to the Notifications tab and toggle on the button right next to Notification to enable notification setting within the app. So that's how you easily disable notification on Crossy Road. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.